Perched above Turtle Creek, offering some of the best views in Highland Park, this 8,000 square foot Robbie Fusch designed French manor.
It is so unique to find a house with this gorgeous view.
The steep, hip slate roof, intricate cuts of Luter's limestone, and authentic balustrade create the perfect Parisian setting on this half-acre lot. With lush, manicured grounds, the work of the late Naud Burnett, one of Dallas's most renowned landscape architects.
It just is so different and so unique and just such a very special street and a special find.
Fusch was tireless in capturing the owner's original vision of a traditional French chateau, making several trips to France, finding rare treasures, materials that provide a palpable warmth and richness, like the 300-year-old Loire limestone floors in the entryway, living room and dining rooms, or the 17th and 18th century terracotta tile floors in the kitchen and family room. Add in the antique limestone fireplace sourced from a centuries-old French chateau, and the authenticity meter here is off the charts.
To have a house like this, you're talking about probably 4 years. First of all, you couldn't find this lot, and secondly, you wouldn't be able to structure it with all the stonework this has for the value that we're priced at.
Welcome guests into the light and airy grand entry with circular staircase. Entertain in the spacious living room with fireplace, or slip away to the luxurious master wing with a separate entrance to this stunning private courtyard. The home has a function and flow designed to maximize main floor living. The tall ceilings, arched windows, and wood beams offer a neutral palette that complements any style of design and decor. Upstairs, several more bedrooms, including this large family room where you can gather for games or just soak up the views of Turtle Creek. There's even a private guest suite above the garage with a separate entrance for maximum privacy. Separating this from the rest in Highland Park, there are just 5 homes here on St. John's.
The houses are elevated up, and the neighbor next door calls his the tree house. It's just a very private, beautiful spot that you really don't realize you're in Highland Park. You're more in the country.
Walk along the water, stroll over to the village for dinner or shopping, or hop on Turtle Creek Boulevard and be downtown in minutes. Everything is so accessible and convenient from this location. Call today for a personal tour and come feel what this French manor in Highland Park is all about.